There's another way how you can unlock the photo page in DaVinci Resolve here for the iPad. My last video was this video here, how to unlock the photo page in DaVinci Resolve for the iPad. And at the same time, I'm also showing you the photo page, some of the basics, what you can do in the photo page. So if you haven't seen that video, definitely check out this video. But I got a nice comment in this YouTube video from Tony that basically pointed out like, hey, Daniel, awesome to see your videos now that the new photo page is here. And basically what he's saying is, I found another way to open the photo page with the drop-down menu and then go to Workspace and then you show all pages. So this is what I will show you too. The only thing that you need is you have to have the newest version of the iOS. So when you can have all of these menus here, when I come up here and I see the menu, then there is a menu called Workspace. And here on the Workspace, I can see here show pages. And if I have the photo page not open, I can come here to show pages and I can simply click on the photo page. And now I have the photo page here open as well. So this is amazing. But I also noticed this is kind of weird. I was hoping that you don't even have to open keyboard shortcuts at all anymore. But if I look here on my iPad M1, you can tell me in the comments if this is different with the newer versions, but on my iPad M1, the show page doesn't include the edit page or the fusion page. So for edit and fusion page, you still, and the media page, you still need the way that I showed in my video yesterday. So if you haven't seen that one, definitely check that one out. With the keyboard shortcuts, it's basically here, DaVinci Resolve keyboard shortcuts, and you can give some keyboard shortcuts. If you don't see the menu and you are in the newest version, what you have to check is come back here to the settings and then here under Multitasking and Gestures. The menu only shows up if you are here in the Windows app. If I go to full size screen apps and now I go back to DaVinci Resolve, I cannot swipe down the menu. It doesn't work. So if you don't see a menu on the top, then check your settings here and change it to Windowed app. And then every app that you have open in, it's not just DaVinci, all of the apps have now a menu here on the top, same like on the Mac. And then you can also find here the Workspace. Okay, that's it for this short video. This is amazing that we can show page now, even just here from the drop-down menu. And I don't know why the other ones are not yet there. So you still need a keyboard for edit, fusion, and the media page. And Fairlight. Fairlight is also missing. So 4 of the pages are still not there. We have cut page, color, and deliver, and photo day included. Maybe this will come with an update. Maybe it was intended that the photo page comes, not as a hack, even like just officially launched. And then maybe they just forget that this was coming up here. Again, if you want to learn more about the photo page, there is a video here about the photo page where I go a little bit more deeper and also show you the other way. And if you want to see the complete DaVinci Resolve 21 update video, because I'm working on that video right now, then stay tuned, hit like, subscribe, and dingle the bang bang gong so that you get notifications when the new video actually drops. I'm Daniel. Welcome to this channel. Welcome to the DaVinci Resolve iPad community. You're amazing. I wish you a wonderful day. Bye.